Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can craft the pet pouch on Grow a Garden. So if you go to the crafting table, this is the items that you'll need to craft a pet pouch. You'll need a coconut seed, a coconut, and then, hold on, let's scroll down here. So it increases your pet inventory slots by 1. You'll need a common egg, a corn dog, small treat, and small toy, and shekels. So I have everything except for instance, you have everything except for the corn dog. Now you are going to want to get the cooking kit, which is here. You can get it by completing the garden guide over here, the common achievements one. You'll only need to shovel 100 plants, harvest 200 carrots, give 1 carrot, sell 500 strawberries, and get 5 strawberries. Then once you're done, you'll get the cooking kit. Then you'll need to put peppercorn and pine cone to create the corn dog. Once you're done, you're just going to go back to the crafting table and you're going to craft the pet pouch. Don't really know what it's for pretty much, but that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.